everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
If you're looking for a beautiful and practical home fragrance piece, the ceramic 3-in-1 wax melt warmer by copinpin is an amazing choice. It comes beautifully packaged so it instantly feels like a thoughtful gift, ready to give gifts for moms, grandmas, women, or anybody you love. What I love most is how aesthetically nice it looks. The ceramic design blends into any room decor, whether it's the living room, bedroom, or office. It adds a clean, cozy touch even if it's not turned on. This warmer is truly multifunctional. You can use it in three ways: melt wax cubes, warm a jar candle, or use it as an essential oil burner. It heats evenly, releases fragrance quickly, and it's super easy to use. Just plug it in, place your wax or candle on top, and enjoy. No mess, no flame, and no hassle. Overall, it's a great gift idea and a stylish, functional addition to any home. Perfect for anyone who loves fragrance and pretty decor pieces.
And that's my point of view.